I want to show you how to add a rule of thirds grid in Premiere Pro. To start, be sure you have the Show Rulers and Show Guides icon on your panel. If you don't see them, click on this plus icon, then click and drag it into the panel. Show Rulers and Show Guides icon active, right-click the ruler area and select Add Guide. Now change from horizontal to vertical mode. Modify percent to 33.3 and select Top, and it will add your top horizontal line. To create the bottom line, do the same thing except this time select Bottom. To create your vertical lines, simply expand the orientation dropdown and select Vertical. Now you can create the left and right lines by following the same format used for the others. In case if you want to move the lines, just click on them and drag right or left. Everything is ready. Help to grow this channel, put your like and subscribe.